Alright, YouTube modelers. So this is going to be a kit stash, tools and accessories edition video. So I picked up some sprue tree cutters because my current ones are the dinner testers. I picked up some flesh tone so I can do some figures, Revell, enamel, and I picked up some brake lines for the cars, pre-wired distributor, the A-cell types with the red and orange, 1 and 2 inch radiator hoses, black and red battery terminal cables. So that should be good. It'll be my first time going all out on wiring a car. So let's start with the larger kits. I picked up the Chevy van. This is the one with the detailed interior. So this should be pretty good. I believe the lid comes off so you can see the interior like that. If all goes well, I have to pick up that figure of the woman sleeping made by Masterbox. So that's a 76 Chevy van. Then I picked up from the Fast and Furious franchise. This is the first time I picked up a vehicle from the Fast and Furious. I did not buy the Supra or the previous Chargers, but this one looked nice. I never put this one together. I don't know if I'll be doing it in black, but I think in the movie it was black. So then of course this was an item that was on back order the last time I opened it when I bought the full-size Chevrolets. This is the 65 Foose. I will probably build it stock, not Foose. And then I picked up the two kits of figures. NYPD, thumbs up. Hopefully it comes with decals because I don't know if I'm going to be able to paint that finely, even if it's raised detail on the figure. But it's two figures. This would have been handy a couple of months ago when I was doing all those NYPD vehicles, but I might have to buy that Snap Tight Crown Vic from Lindbergh because that's what they were driving. Now they mostly drive the Ford Explorers. Of course, another NYPD. A figure standing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, maybe with the male figure, I'll see if I can somehow get him to be seated so I can seat him inside either one of these car kits or maybe the police cars. So anyway, these are my new kit stash ads, tools, paint, and accessories. So that's it for now. See you guys later.